Hoagie? Hoagie! Where are you?
Pinkfong! Hoagie!
Pinkfong!
Baby shark doo-doo-doo-doo. Today is Ollie's birthday. Shall we make Ollie's birthday cake together? Pinkfong, play frog.
Guys, where are you? Today is my birthday. Did everyone remember? Where are you guys? Did Ollie leave? Hi guys, it's me, Pinkfong.
Hello guys, my name is Willow. I'm Pinkfong's friend. Nice to meet you.
Hey Willow, I saw you and Pinkfong dance along. You're really good at dancing.
Thanks, Pinkfong.
Pinkfong, Willow, where are you? Shh! Do not tell anyone I'm here. Today is Ollie's birthday, so we're gonna have surprise birthday party for Ollie.
How? Just like this. Hoi poi Pinkfong. Voila! I'm ready for the party. Let's make Ollie's birthday cake.
First, we are gonna bake a sheet cake.
We need eggs, flour, butter, and milk.
All right, mix it up, Willow.
Okay, I'll mix it up. And I'll put it in the oven.
Yeah.
And now the cake sheet is done. Smells really good. How was it? I think we're ready for the party, aren't we?
Wait!
Oh, Hoagie, you were here.
Hey, Hoagie, what's up?
Pinkfong, Willow, you didn't put cream on the cake.
Cream?
Yeah, soft white cream. You forgot about it. It doesn't taste good until cream is on top. I brought some cream. Let's spread some on the cake.
Thank you, Hoagie. Shall we spread cream on the cake together?
Yummy.
Good.
What a nice cream cake. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure. I'll be back when the party starts. See you then.
Okay, see ya.
Guys, we are ready for Ollie's birthday cream cake.
Then let's have a party right now.
Pinkfong, Willow, are you sure that you are ready for the party?
Oh, Rex. Yeah, why?
Are you kidding? We need to put fruit on the cake. I brought some fruit. Let's decorate the cake with these.
That sounds great.
Wow, these are so fresh. Thank you, Rex. Guys, let's decorate the cake with fruit.
Wow. Wow, it's amazing.
It's prettier than a cake from the store.
My pleasure. I'll be back later.
Okay, bye.
Willow, don't you think that we are finally ready to have the party?
Whoa. Oh, chocolates?
Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
Hi, Pinkfong. Hi, Willow. You didn't put some chocolates on the cake yet, right?
Hi, Pengs. No, we just decorated it with fruit and cream.
Let's decorate with chocolates and candies. It'll be a more delicious, beautiful cake.
That's right. Ollie also loves chocolate. Let's decorate a cake with chocolates and candy.
Thank you, Pangs. Now we are really ready to have Ollie's birthday party.
Let's surprise Ollie.
Pinkfong, Willow, where are you?
Huh?
Baby shark, do-do-do-do, Ollie's birthday, do-do-do. Let's celebrate, do-do-do-do, Ollie's birthday. Happy birthday, Ollie! Oh my goodness! Were you preparing for my surprise birthday party? Thank you so much. You know how much we care about you, don't you?
Ollie, you mean so much to us.
Make a wish, Ollie.
Yeah, make a wish. Okay.
Yeah! And what is your wish?
My wish is always to be happy with my friends. Wow, I'm so touched. That is my wish too, Ollie.
Ollie's birthday party was a success. Now what we have to do is...
Eat the cake! How to make Ollie's birthday cake. Shall we review?
First, mix eggs, flour, butter, and milk. Bake in the oven to make chips.
Next, putting some cream on it.
Put in different kinds of fruit too.
And decorate the cake with chocolates and candies.
Ta-da!
Ollie's birthday cake is ready.
Okay, guys. See you again next time.
Pinkfong, Playfong! Bye!
Play fun games on our apps. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.